Do you know why your Nissan e-Power has got squeaking brakes? So this is the reason why. So stay with me, because on this video you're gonna find out how to fix this problem and what we need to do in order to rectify this. It's all nice and clean now. So now we're gonna fit the new brake shim. You see, plenty of gap there. The brake shims are not touching on the brake disc now. So we also need to make sure that the brake pad, it won't get stuck there on the carrier, because otherwise if it gets stuck, it can create the same problem again. So we're gonna give him a good clean, and then I'll show you how it looks. Our brake pad, nice and clean, all the edges, everything. So now we're gonna apply a little bit of special grease, or magic grease if you like. So a little bit there, don't need much. It already fit one side. This is just obviously to show you, and then when you put it back on, just need to make sure that the pad is nice and free, like that. This way, the squeaky noise created by the shim against the pad, against the brake disc, sorry, will not happen again. Because what happened is the brake pad gets stuck on a brake shim and then pushes the brake shim, and then obviously it starts rubbing against the brake disc. That's why it creates that noise. Just need to make sure that everything is free, and then we can put it all back together now. That's it. You just need to torque the bolt, That's it, guys. So one side done. Just need to do the same thing on the other side. That's the way that you fix your squeaking brakes on your Nissan e-Power.